Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Such guy with Junaid Ansari, overseas diaspora who's living there in England, in Europe, in America, the Kashmiris, the people of Pakistan, they're looking to a great lady, Lorraine Booth, our sister, who's here in Murray, who's talking about Aghosh, a home for the children who don't have parents. How are you feeling coming in Aghosh and talking about the kids who are less blessed?
Do you know, it's important to say that this is much more than a home for the orphans, because we have orphan homes. This is a home of excellence to create a generation of orphans who are going to lead Pakistan because they have talent. We often express sympathy, but we don't see the children as individuals. So these specific children have been chosen from rounds of tests to be the brightest, the ones with the most leadership capacity. So it's a great project, mashallah. And the first of its kind, I believe.
And how do you see into the management, Colonel Sahab? He's trying to, Colonel Zafar Sahab and all the other people, all the team, they're trying to put their effort, collective effort. How do you comment on it?
I use the phrase that we walk in the footsteps of giants, that you have great people here in Pakistan, trusted people who know how to build not just institutions but hearts and dignity and creativity. And, I'm really honoured to be here today with them.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. तकाजा है मौजों का तूफान से खेलो, कब तक रहोगे किनारे किनारे. आइए देखिए क्या हो रहा है. फीमान अल्लाह, हाफिज़ एंड गुड बाय.